Hi everybody. In this video, I will show you how to use lookup transformation. Lookup transformation is used to look up data in a flat file, logical data object, reference table, or relational table. Um, it has many use, but in this video, I will show you how to retrieve data based on a specified lookup condition. So, for example, I have a table called product, and it has 4 columns. One of the column is category ID. Category ID is number. It's not really meaningful for the management because they want to see the category name. But category name is in the different table. It's in category table. I'll show you. See category ID. This is category name. So they want they want like with category ID. They also want the category name over here in the right. So I have to create a table where I can have all these 4 columns, and next to it also one more column called category name, so they can look at the associate category name for this product. So this is the target table. So target table, look at this. It has 5 columns, and also it has category name. So they want the data to be like this: category ID plus the category name. So this is what I have to implement. So I'm gonna truncate the table first. Okay, so that means there is no data in the product description table. That means this is my target table. Yep, there's no data in the target table right now. So now I have to populate this table using these 2 tables. So I'm going to use Informatica IICS. So I have to create a mapping. You should give a name here, source. So my source is Oracle database. It could be a flat file. So mine is Oracle database. Okay, it's a single object. Now select the object. My source table is product table, and my lookup table would be category table. And I will look up the um, category ID in the category table and get the category name from there. So my source table is product. I'm going to search it. Yes, this is the product. And if you want to preview the data, you can preview the data. Yeah, data looks good. Now I want a lookup transformation so that I can get the category name. So here you go, lookup transformation. Now select that one, make the window bigger. So lookup object. What is my lookup object? It's in Oracle database. It's a single source type, so I'm going to leave it like this. Now look for the object here. So I know it's a category name. Yep, right here, category name. Okay. Now the lookup condition over here is the conflicts, like incoming field and return fields. Create a rule in a previous transformation to rename the incoming fields. So to resolve this issue, you just hit click, and you have to do prefix, and then you just put like source underscore. So all your source field will have a source underscore, so you can easily distinguish them. Okay, now create. This is the lookup table, category ID. Okay, so what, like, you have to lookup condition, you have to use lookup condition. This is your category ID is the lookup condition. So incoming field, this is coming from the source, not the product ID, because I have to look up category ID. So source category ID, here you go. Now it matches. Return fields, I don't have to choose anything. uh, you can just click save. Okay. Now go to the target connection is also Oracle database. Target type is single object. Now look for the object is product description. Okay, product description, this is the one. This is my target table. Okay, now look at the target fields. Okay, I have to do the field mapping. So in order to do the field mapping, field map option is manual. Now I can choose over here smart map. Let's see what happened. Yeah, it already did it for me. Now I have to change something. This is category ID. This is a target table category ID, and this category ID is coming from the category table. I want it comes from the um, product table. It should work, but I'll still change it. I'll map this part. So my product table has category ID. Source. Look at this source. So remember we change it to the source. So that's why I'm going to choose this one, source category ID. Okay. Now everything looks good. Everything looks good. Click save. Now we're going to run it. Okay, run. Hit run. Yeah, here you go. Data came. So data is populated the way we wanted. We wanted category ID plus category name. We got it.